I'm Jennifer Van Berklio, online editor for Power Engineering. The $1.35 billion Boundary Dam carbon capture and storage project has successfully completed its CCS chain by piping captured carbon dioxide to a nearby oil field. The project, which integrates a coal-fired power unit with carbon capture technology, has been capturing CO2 since late September, but has now started to pipe the greenhouse gas to Cenovus Energy's oil fields for use in enhanced oil recovery operations. The Boundary Dam project will capture around 1 million tons of CO2 annually from the facility's Unit 3. Any CO2 not used in enhanced oil recovery will be stored at the Aquastore project. Monarch Power has announced plans to build a Solar Wonderland in Phoenix that would produce a gigawatt of clean energy every year. Solar Wonderland is an energy amusement park where students can learn about energy through rides, 3D video, and hands-on experience. The facility will include lightweight carbon fiber-based solar panels in the Lotus Garden that provides electricity and hot water. Now let's shoot over to the newest member of the Power Engineering team, Associate Editor Tim Miser, with today's nuclear headline.
Thanks, Jennifer. The European Commission has approved hotly contested subsidies between the government of the United Kingdom and EDF Group. The subsidies will help build a new nuclear reactor at the Hinkley Point plant on the northern Somerset coast. The European Commission found that the long-term contract and the guarantee were an appropriate and proportionate way to build the dual-unit 3.2 gigawatt Hinkley Point C. EDF Energy, the company chosen to develop and build the facility, agreed to sell the unit's electricity output at market price. The company also says it expects the cost to build the plant will continue to be around $25.7 billion, as first announced in October 2013. UK consumers initially expected to pay up to $27.8 billion in subsidies to EDF, which was more than the price tag of the project. The figures triggered a 12-month investigation by the European Commission that concluded with the current decision. The plant will require debt financing of $27.4 billion and will eventually have capital of about $54.7 billion. The construction costs are estimated at $39.4 billion. Not everyone is happy to hear the news. Austria threatened to file a lawsuit in the European Court of Justice to reverse the decision if the subsidies were approved. A spokesman for the Austrian Chancellor told Reuters that he and the Vice Chancellor believe nuclear power does not deserve the subsidies and that the decision would set a bad precedent. The first unit is expected to complete commissioning in 2023. That's your news for today. I'm Tim Miser, Associate Editor for Power Engineering Magazine.
Thanks, Tim. In other news, Duke Energy filed applications with PJM Interconnection for the deactivations in December of 4 oil-fired units at the Walter C. Beckjord power plant. The request deactivation date for each unit is December 25th. In each case, PJM is doing a reliability analysis to see if these unit shutdowns will cause any grid issues. These 4 units are all 42 years old, and each unit holds a capacity of 47 megawatts. Most recently, Duke Energy retired the facility's coal-fired units 5 and 6 as of October 1st. Powergen International is right around the corner. Powergen is December 9th through the 11th at the Orange County Convention Center in Orlando. Throughout the years, Powergen International has covered it all, providing a world stage for the innovations, ideas, and solutions that have formed our industry for more than 2 decades. With a record-setting attendance of more than 22,000 attendees, 90 countries, and 1,400 exhibitors, there's simply no other place to be for education, networking, and new business development. To register, visit power-gen.com/register. Well, that's your power generation news for now. Thanks for watching, and be sure to look for this newscast twice a week on the Power Engineering website. And you can always connect with our editors and join in on the discussions on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. For Power Engineering News, I'm Jennifer Van Berklio.